So I am building a adversary emulation lab. So last night I built a new 80 with a Windows DC and 2 Windows hosts. I also added agents to those hosts from Wazuh, which is a security tool through the cloud that collects. It's a security information event manager where you can see all your logs and see different detections. It's also an XDR, and we're just going to dompacket the Python script through psexec Python script, and then we're going to do the same attack through Metasploit and look at the difference. So first we're going to target the administrator account at the August 3 host, which is .133. Go ahead and throw the password in. Okay, so we have a shell. Just to waste some time so that the logs can populate. Who am I? NT authority system. So we'll get system info. And then we see we're, it's a Windows 10 enterprise evaluation build, x64, 2 processors installed. We're going to come over here, we're going to go ahead and refresh the logs. And yeah, so we have, this is all activity from psexec, successful remote login detected, user administrator, NTLM authentication, possible patch the hash attack. And then here, so in order for psexec to work, it has to be able to have a writable share on the target system, be able to upload a .exe, and then be able to start service manager, which in turn starts the psexec service. So that's this new Windows service created right here. So that's the psexec version. Next, we're going to go ahead and load up Metasploit. So we're going to put in MSF console. We're going to do the psexec module through Metasploit. Search psexec. Okay, so now in the results, it's going to bring up, you'll see this psexec right here, but this is the wrong one. This is the eternal romance, internal blue SMB remote Windows code execution. That's not the one we want. We want this number 4, the regular psexec. Do use 4. We're going to go ahead and set the target, our host 192.168.146.133. We're going to set the SMB user we're attacking, which is going to be administrator. Set SMB pass. We're going to set the SMB domain, which is the domain I set up. August.local. Set our attacker machine lhost, because that's where the reverse shell is going to connect. So 128, and we're going to go ahead and run this. And it's 139. So we got to change that. Okay, so set lhost. So my old attack machine that I just installed, the old one was 128. This one was 139. So it should run now. And it does. So it's targeting PowerShell rather than command.exe, and it's executing in memory. So this should be quieter. We're going to go ahead and start a shell from interpreter. Do who am I again. We'll do system info again. It's giving the logs time to populate. Okay, see again, it's Windows 10 Enterprise Evaluation. It's a .64 architecture. Come over here, we'll refresh the log. Okay, so the difference here, you're going to have an error event, new Windows service created again. You're going to have a successful logon detected, but this time there's only one of these. So that's definitely quieter. And then at the end of the day, log on success. So that's that. This one to display differences and starting to work with my adversary emulation. There's a lot to build out. I meant to build out some vulnerabilities on the host so I can use different attacks, but it's a good start at least.